began this project the same way I begin every project, removing hardware and cleaning. I'm going to gild this hardware in gold. To clean, I used White Lightning Cleaner.
Got me feeling like a drop in the sand, like a worm in the storm, a hungry hunger in.
Make sure to get in the dresser and the drawers.
Beauty born. I'm a monster, spreading hate, stealing time. I'm a monster, laying beds when it's cloudy. Oh.
I chose Hurricane Gray for my color.
Tell me, what's my remedy?
I'm using my 2-inch mini brush, my favorite.
Call me lion, a true psychopath. Don't love me, when you're lost.
Hurricane Gray is a nice natural color that everyone loves.
Like an onion, I'll liberate your tears, your sweet passion, sweet fears. Oh, you're in good hands. They say I'm gentle, so don't be scared. I'm a monster. Every turn has its thrill.
Remember to use water to get that paint to flow smoother if you need it.
Let me, okay? No, I wanna be given the blame. Hold up.
There was no fancy technique going on here, just normal painting. Just 2 coats of gray is all we need.
Hold up. Wait a minute, what you're talking about? Wanna be given the blame.
I always have my mist bottle on hand when I'm painting.
'Cause I'm a true psychopath.
I did plan on staining the top, but I changed my mind and ended up painting it as well.
I'm a fraud, call me a liar, a true psycho. Ooh, I'm a fraud, call me a liar, a true psychopath. Don't love me, when you're lost, take your trust. Yeah, that's a name.
Once the paint was dry, it's time to put some protection. I wanted something tough to protect this piece, and I chose gator hide for it. Gator hide is a super tough finish. It's like a polyurethane, but much better, in my opinion. It doesn't look plasticky-ish or yellow out. I always have separate mini brush for my gator hide. The trick is to wet your brush like this. Keeping your brush wet makes gator hide a breeze. Just apply it on and try not to go too much over it. You can apply as many coats as you want for more protection. I used 1 coat on my dresser and 2 coats on the top of the dresser. Now we need to add some character to this piece. Now to add some character to this piece, we will use some Dixie dirt. I'm using charcoal.
I've been down so
along with my spray wax and French tip brush.
Can't get no rest.
When using Dixie dirt, you're going to need some clear wax to make it stick.
That my mind can't get no rest.
Work in sections so it remains wet.
Easy, darling.
Once you apply clear wax, you will wipe it off immediately and get to work with the dirt.
I've been running so long that my feet don't work no more. Oh yeah. I've been running so long.
I'm using this almost like a glaze.
Work no more. Oh no. It ain't easy, darling.
Just brushing dirt where I wanted the borders of my drawers.
Trail. Oh yeah.
Then again, with a lint-free cloth, I will wipe that off.
I can't run, I can't hide. I can't stand no more. Oh no.
It gives this really cool aging effect. I did this to all of my drawers.
You better pray and run slow. Oh, I'm gonna tell you what.
For the middle doors, I did the same thing.
Get you.
Spray wax and apply Dixie dirt.
Oh no.
From the beginning of this project, I knew I was going to apply gold on these doors. I added gold gilding wax. Then I decided to add some black gilding wax as well. I'm just playing around with this design in the center of the dresser.
Tired of knocking on your door. Said I'm tired of trying.
I wanted it to stand out just a bit.
But I can't quit you, baby, 'cause I'm gonna be knocking.
It was looking so nice, and I did this to the rest of the center.
Tired of waiting in the line. Said I'm tired of waiting, babe. Tired of waiting in the line. But I can't quit you, babe, 'cause I'm gonna wait until the end of time. Now it's all you.
Then it was time to gild the hardware in warm gold.
Feel like a fool, but that won't put out the fire that I've got in store for you. Oh yeah.
I added the hardware back on and gave them a bit more depth. I did this again by adding spray wax and Dixie dirt around the hardware.
That won't put out the fire.
I used very little of this and wipe it down with my cloth to make it smoother.
I'm gonna walk
you're done.
You know I can't quit you.
What a showstopper! A big, beautiful dresser. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Bye!